Hey, buddy, you want to smell some candles?
Okay.
Okay, smell that one.
This.
You like that one?
What about that one?
This.
Smell it.
This.
Open and smell.
Oh, la la.
Yeah? Open it up. Now smell it.
Purple.
It's purple? Smell it.
Ding.
Do you like that one? Whoopsie. You want to try a different one? Try this one.
Up. Go.
There you go. Try that one.
This.
It's green.
Ding.
Yeah, smell it. You like that one?
What about that one?
This.
This one? It's blue.
Do ding.
Yeah, smell it.
Hmm.
Let me smell.
Now.
Yeah. Okay, thanks, buddy. Say bye-bye. Say woo-woo. No.
This.
High five? High five. Try it. There we go. Okay, bye-bye.